Hello guys, today we are going to learn about an attribute in TestNG called priority. It's a very easy concept, but it's very useful. So let's learn about the priority attribute in TestNG. So I have created a Maven project here by the name TestNG Concepts. And as we discussed in the Maven project itself, that testers write their code in SRC test Java here. So I have created a package here, com.testng, and now I will create a class here, and I'll give it a name, priority. Okay. So now let me first uh, tell you the sequence of test methods, and then we will learn about priority. So what is a sequence? Like, let me make a the sequence depends completely on the name of the test case, guys. So I'm just creating two test cases here, and I'll have to add TestNG library, and now import TestNG library. Okay, so that error is gone now. So I'll write another test case, public void b test. Okay, so I'll write here just a simple statement, print statement, and a may. You can write any statement like assert statement. Okay, now what happens is if you run this class, this method or test case will run first. Even if you change the sequence, like if you write this test case first, let me do that. Now, uh, even now, even though we have written this B test first and A test after that, uh, what happens is that B test will run after A test. Why? Because for the simple reason that test cases are run based on the ASCII values of the alphabets by which the methods uh, are created, by which yeah, so depending on the method name, the ASCII value of the method name, it will run. So what result I am expecting is first I am in A will run, and then I am in B will run as TestNG. Proceed. There was an error. Okay, that we have to, even though we feel that everything is okay, sometimes we get error, and we need to, as testers or developers or anyone who works in the industry, we should, you know uh, try to resolve this, and we're gonna do that. Yeah, so there was a silly mistake. I didn't cut the code properly, and here it was lying here at test. So that was the error, and I'll write it over here. Okay, now I'll save it. Now run it again. See, I am in A and I am in B, simply because the ASCII value of A is less than ASCII value of B. Okay, so first A will run and then B will run. Now suppose we want to change the sequence. This is the default uh, feature, right? Depending on the ASCII values of the method names. Now suppose we want to change the order. Suppose we want to change the sequence of the method's execution. So what we are going to do is just add an attribute here by the name called priority. Priority is equal to 1, and now I'll give this priority 2. Lesser the priority, earlier the method will run. Now priority is equal to 2. Now see, by default what was happening, A was running first and then B was running. Now we have given priority 1 to B, priority 2 to A. So priority 1 is less than 2. So B will run first now. B test will run first now. Let's see. Run as test. See, I am in B. First B has run, then B test has run, then A test has run. Okay, B test and A test. So this is about priority. A little small things like uh, priority can be -1 also. Like it can have any negative value, so it can have -1, and now it can have -2 also. It is not giving me any compile time error, and it's not going to give any runtime error as well. Now one thing to note is that -1 and -2, which is lesser? -2 is lesser in value, right? So the first priority goes to A test. See, I'm in A, because -2, the value is less than -1. You just on a number scale, whichever number comes first, that priority, that test case will run first. Okay, so this is what priority is. By default, the value of, let me write it, uh, if we don't give any priority, then default value is 0. Okay, I'm just writing some notes here. And suppose we have two methods with the same priority, two test cases or methods having same priority. What will happen then? Then it will check the ASCII value of the method name. We will see that in practical now. Okay, so let's say -1 and -1 both have, let's remove minus and give both the test cases same priority. Okay, so what will happen now? Now what will happen is, now since the priority have, both test cases have same priority, now it will come to the ASCII value of the uh, test case test cases names. Okay, so A comes first here and B comes later. So now I am in A will run, that is A test will run first and then B test. Okay, let's see. You can see here I am in A and first. Is there any mistake? Why is B not printing? Let me see. Yeah, so guys, I keep making these small mistakes. What was happening was that I by mistake selected only this test case and then uh, executed it. What happens is that if you want to, and I uh, in some video, I don't remember which one, I said this and I explained this, that if you want to execute only one test case out of several in your class, then you have to highlight the method name and then run the class. So only this, the highlighted test case will run. So as I have highlighted only a test, only a test should run. See, I am in A, only A test ran. So what I have to do, unhighlight it or whatever the word is, just don't highlight it and click anywhere else and now run. So we digressed a little bit because of the errors, and it will happen. You just have to, develop a mindset where you keep resolving the errors, and just, that's how you get good at anything. You face problems and then you resolve it on your own. Take help of Google, and also in my videos comment that where you are stuck. If you're not able to resolve the error on by yourself, let me know and I'll try to resolve that. So see here, priority, both the test cases have the same priority, right? One. So now uh, the ASCII values will be compared. So ASCII values of A is lesser than B. So it will run first A test. Now, uh, this is all about priority. In the next class, I will discuss about depends on, and there are many other attributes here. Okay, there are many attributes that you can write here. So there are many actually that I'll discuss in the future classes. So thank you for watching, and if you have any question regarding this, please let me know in the comments. And guys, please subscribe, please share, please like. Um, my videos are not showing in the search results, so please give it a like if you really like the uh, tutorials. So please do that. That will be of great help. That is the only motivation that I need at the moment to make more videos. Okay, so thank you for watching, and have a good day.